of the greatest things about being an artist is that it opens doors to amazing opportunities and life experiences. And sometimes you get that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that you just have to go for. And that experience I'm talking about is going to space. Okay, maybe not physically, but for me, the next best thing was to send my artwork into space, on a mission to the International Space Station. You see, back in December of 2018, Canadian astronaut David St. Jacques went on a mission to the International Space Station. And while he was up there, he read a children's illustrated book that I helped create. He read the book live from space and it was transmitted back to Earth. How cool is that? I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. Do you read manga or watch anime? As a kid, I really enjoyed reading manga, but mostly for the pictures. But I'm also a big Studio Ghibli fan. One of my favorite movies is My Neighbor Totoro. How do you see in that thing? I could see perfectly fine. I love this series, keep up the good work. Also, do you play any instruments? And if you do, can you play for us? I think you should change your channel to a gaming channel. How do you make an exact replica of the real character but in Chibi version? The simple answer to this is to simplify. You want to remove all the high detail and try to compress it all down to one simple shape. And you want to make sure that the head is as big as the entire body. How do you get ideas of what to draw? Almost every tutorial on this channel is requested by my fans. Now I get a few hundred requests every single day, so you can imagine it gets a little bit tricky. But I always try my best to make everyone happy. My birthday is on December 16th as well. What are the odds of that? Well, you know who else shares the same birthday? The Dolan twins, Beethoven, Owen Vaccaro, Jasmine Johnson, Benjamin Bratt, James Reynolds, and novelist Jane Austen. Got any advice for helping people out on drawing characters? Well, my advice to you is to make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming lessons. You can also browse my playlist. I have a ton of drawing tutorials in there, and I'm sure you'll find something there that's going to help you out. Are you a left-hander or a right-hander? I hope you read this, and on your next video, can I get a shout out to my channel? Well, today's your lucky day. Drawing helps improve your hand-eye coordination. The more you draw, the better your brain. Your eyes and your hands harmonize. Drawing helps enhance the development of your brain by putting all parts of the brain to work. I couldn't have said this better myself. Why did you name your channel Cartooning for Kids? Great question. I kind of alluded to this in my last reading your comments. So I started this channel to help teach my kids how to draw, but then I realized my viewers aren't just kids. I have people of all ages watching my content, so perhaps it might be time for a name change. Let me know in the comments below, yes or no. What are you planning to change on the channel? So Andrew, if I'm guessing correctly, your question is referring to the new FTC ruling towards kids content on YouTube. So for now, I don't have any plans to change anything. I'm always experimenting with new types of content. We're gonna wait and see what happens in the new year, and hopefully I won't have to change anything. What is your favorite channel? So hats off to every YouTube creator. It takes a lot of discipline and passion to grow a channel. I think everyone has something of value to offer, especially fellow Canadian Peter McKinnon. I absolutely love his content. I watch it all the time. He's a professional photographer, videographer, YouTuber. Go check him out and subscribe and let him know I sent you. If you have any questions or comments that you want featured in my next reading your comments, just drop it down below. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Be sure to hit that subscribe and the notification bell. Have an epic day and we'll see you again soon.